The internet can work via satellite using a technology known as satellite internet. Satellite internet provides internet access to users in remote or rural areas where traditional terrestrial-based internet infrastructure, like cable or DSL, is not available or feasible to deploy. It operates by transmitting data between ground-based satellite dishes and geostationary satellites in space. Here's a simplified explanation of how internet works from satellite. Ground station. To access the internet via satellite, users need a ground station consisting of a satellite dish and a satellite modem. The dish is installed at the user's location, such as a home or office, and is pointed towards the geostationary satellite. Geostationary satellites. These satellites are positioned approximately 22,236 miles, 35,786 kilometers, above the Earth's equator. They orbit the Earth at the same speed the Earth rotates, which means they remain fixed relative to a specific location on the ground. This characteristic allows satellite dishes on the ground to maintain a constant connection with the satellite. Uplink and downlink. Satellite internet operates on a two-way communication process, uplink and downlink. The uplink is the process of sending data from the ground station to the satellite, while the downlink is the process of receiving data from the satellite back to the ground station. Data transmission. When a user requests data from the internet, such as loading a web page or streaming a video, the data is sent from the user's ground station to the satellite through the uplink. The satellite then relays the data to an Earth station or Network Operations Center, NOC, on the ground. Terrestrial Internet Backbone. At the Network Operations Center, the data is integrated into the terrestrial internet backbone, which consists of high-speed fiber optic cables and other wired infrastructure. The terrestrial backbone is the backbone of the global internet, connecting various parts of the world. Data retrieval. When the requested data is available on the internet, it is sent back from the terrestrial internet backbone to the satellite, which then transmits the data to the user's ground station through the downlink. Latency. One notable limitation of satellite internet is latency. Due to the long distance that data needs to travel to reach the satellite and back, there is a slight delay in data transmission. This can result in a noticeable lag during real-time activities like online gaming or video conferencing. It's important to note that while satellite internet can be a lifeline for those in remote areas, it is not as fast or responsive as traditional terrestrial internet technologies. As a result, it is typically used as a last resort when other options are not available. In recent years, efforts have been made to improve satellite internet technology, with the development of low Earth orbit (LEO) satellite constellations aiming to reduce latency and increase bandwidth for a more reliable and responsive internet experience.